Well, what we're gonna make our bedroom, let me flip you around. What we're gonna make our bedroom is nice because it's the largest room. Russ did get the carpet ripped up. The padding, the colors in the padding, since it was so old and on this floor for so long, they're in the floor. So we test some spots here. This is gonna take all day. So I'm mixed OxyClean with warm water, and it is slowly coming up, but it's like scrub, walk away, scrub, because that's what it all looked like. And that's after 2 scrubbings with OxyClean. I just don't know if there's a better cleaner to make this faster. So obviously that's the foot traffic that was in this room, out the door, and then around the bed. I really don't want to do this all day. I might test out other cleaners. We tried Windex. That does seem to work too, so maybe I'll switch to that after this for a little bit and try it. I'll let you know. Well, I finished scrubbing yesterday. I wiped it all down, and it like stained the floor. Some of this it's all, I can't get it off, no matter what I do. So we're just gonna chalk that up to character and deal with it. So we have this rug from the other house. We're just gonna use this for now. And it covers up a lot of it. Now this spot, I can't get it up no matter what, see? So maybe in time if we sand it. So we brought this rug from our living room. We'll use this in our bedroom for now. It doesn't turn out so bad. We dried it really well and I washed it down. So now we want to put curtains in here. The windows have to be replaced, they're terrible. This one doesn't have a storm on it. There's no storm window, so it's pretty cold. So I wanna put curtains on. We'll take them from the other bedroom for now. See how dirty, I can't even clean them. I clean the inside. And then we'll put plastic on it. And this one has a storm. Oh, there's even a thermometer. I never paid attention. What is it out right now? It's Christmas Day. 36, 35. So I didn't realize that was even there. That's a little bonus. So, put the curtains in here and then, yeah. We'll replace these in the spring. And I think we'll put our bed under that window so that the rug can stay in this position and cover up that green over there. We're getting there. We're getting there. It echoes really bad in here. And what's nice is we have our own thermostat in here. It's not perfect, but I think because of the windows, it is cooler. So that's why I want to get the plastic on the windows, because maybe the heat won't run so much. All right, that's the update on the floor. Thanks for staying in touch. Everybody have a great day. Enjoy your Christmas. We're going to be working on the house, but that's all right. It's a gift in itself. Bye, everybody.